Good morning, students. Today we start with myths about entrepreneurship. Now, myths. There are certain myths about entrepreneurship that some people they think that starting a business is easy, but it's not so. Most of the people who begin with the process of starting a company, after that only one third, you can roughly one third of them are have positive cash greater than the salary and expenses of owner for more than 3 consecutive months, but small entrepreneurs are completely easier to start. Now, some people think that it takes a lot of money to finance any business. Some people they have an idea that it requires a lot of money to start a business, but maximum entrepreneurs, like taking example of Narayana Murthy, a person behind Infosys, he started his business with only 10,000 rupees. That also he took loan from his wife. So it's a myth. It's the person who has a strong willpower and if he's an innovator, he will start a business with no cash also, because he turns the fixed expenses are converted into variable expenses. Like taking an example, instead of giving salary to the employees, he gives them incentives to attract more. So it's fixed cost is converted into variable cost. Now, next is startup can't be financed with debt. Some people they have an idea that startup can't be financed with the debt, but a lot of entrepreneurs use debt because raising a debt capital is easier than equity in the initial year. But there should be a composition of both so that capital structure should be flexible. Now next, some people think banks don't lend money to startup. This is also a myth, because now government has various schemes, and secondly, after our honorable President, honorable Prime Minister, he launched a scheme on 15th August 2015 for startup to boost new entrepreneurs. So if you don't have money, bank will give you, because now government has various schemes. If you have an idea, innovative ideas are there, the government will be ready to give you money. Now most entrepreneurs start business in attractive industries. Now people they think that starting a business in attractive industry is easier, but entrepreneur is a risk taker and innovator, so he always go for odd ones. Now next, the growth of our startup depends more on entrepreneur's talent than on business he chooses. This is not true, as the industry that an entrepreneur chooses to work has a huge effect on the odds that it will grow. Now next is most enterprises are successful financially. This is also another myth. Entrepreneurship creates a lot of wealth, but it is very unevenly distributed. Only 10%, you can say that only 10% entrepreneurs they earn more than their employees. Otherwise, maximum entrepreneurs they earn less than they would have earned more while working with someone else. Thank you.